Okay, good morning, students. So let us start today's class. Today's class I will start a new chapter which is pattern. Okay, so look at your book. In this, at first you have to know about number sequence. Okay, so suppose some numbers are given like that: 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, like that. So by seeing that all the given numbers, you have to gain some idea that what is the relationship between the numbers. So that means if you look at this one, if you add 2 with the first number, then you will get 5. Again, if you add 2 with 5, you will get 7. Again, if you add 2, then you will get 9. Again, if you add 2 with 9, then you will get 11. Similarly, 11 plus 2, 13. That means in this case, the next number is 2 greater than the previous number. Okay, again you can say in another word that the difference between the two numbers is 2. That means if you subtract the first one from the second one, that means 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Then 7 minus 5 equal to 2. Again 9 minus 7 equal to 11 minus 9 equal to, and 13 minus 11 equal 2. Okay, so if the question is in this pattern, you have to find the next two number. 13, after that suppose next one is fill in the blanks, again next one is fill in the blanks, then automatically you can know that means the second number is what? 2 more than the first number. Okay, again third number is what? 2 more than the second number. That means the next number will be what? 13 plus 2, that will be 15. Again next one is what? 15 plus 2, that will be 17. So in this chapter you have to solve the question of patterns in this way. Okay, again now come to the next part, that is square numbers. That is, look at this one, square numbers, the numbers 1, 4, 9. So all of you know that all of you I think know about the square terms. In higher classes you will get the value, the meaning of square. Suppose a square actually a into a. That means square of any number is equal multiplication of that two numbers, that numbers twice. Okay, that means if 5 square, that means 5 into 5, answer is 25. Suppose 2 square, that is 2 into 2, it becomes 4. So this 25, this 4 are known as square numbers. Okay, so suppose a pattern, a sequence is given to you. Suppose first number is 1 square equal to 1, 2 square equal to 4, 3 square equal to 9, 4 square equal. Why 1 square equal to 1? Because 1 into 1 it becomes 1. 2 square means what? 2 into 2 becomes 4. 3 square means what? 3 into 3 becomes 9. 4 square means what? 4 into 4 becomes 16. Okay, clear? So this number 1, 4, 9, 16, suppose 5 square, 5 into 5, this number is 25, are known as square numbers. Okay, suppose a sequence is given to you: 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 is given. You have to find the next 3 numbers. Suppose the question is you have to find the next 3 numbers. Then by seeing that number, automatically all of you have must have an idea that this number is actually 1 is actually what? 1 square. This 4 is what? 2 square. This 9 is what? 3 square. 16 is what? 4 square. Okay, 25 is what? 5 square. So the first number is square of the 1, second number is square of 2, third number is square of 3, fourth number is square of 4, this fifth number is square of 5. Then this number must be square of 6, because actually they are the consecutive squares. The question is this one: 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. You have to find, suppose, the next three numbers. So you just derive this one. 1 is 1 square, 4 is 2 square, 9 is 3 square, 16 is 4 square, 25 is 5 square. So these are the serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this number must be 6 square. This number must be 7 square, and this number must be 8 square. So 6 square, that means 6 into 6, which is 36. So it will be 36. 7 square, 7 into 7, which will be 49. So this number must be 49. And 8 square, 8 into 8, which is 64. That means this number will be 64. So in this way, in this chapter, you have to solve the questions related to patterns. Okay. Okay, another part is triangular numbers. The numbers which can be arranged in a triangular pattern are called. So one definition, all of you write. Triangular numbers. Triangular numbers. The numbers which can be arranged, in a triangular pattern, in a triangular pattern are called triangular numbers. Are called triangular numbers. So maybe 1 marks question definition will come. So what define triangular numbers? So what do you mean by triangular numbers? Then you have to write this one. The numbers which can be arranged in a triangular pattern are called a triangular number. Okay. So now some examples are given to you: 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, and so on. Simple. That means like this one, given example 1. Okay, that means suppose you denote by star. So look at this one, suppose number 3. So 1 is here, 1 is here, and 1 is here. That means this is forming a triangle. Okay, like this. Suppose another 6. Okay, that means 1, 2, 3. Okay, 4, 5, 6. So actually this form a triangle. So this type of numbers are triangular numbers. So just remember the definition, and suppose the question is like that: define triangular numbers and give some example. Then write that. All of you will write that with the numbers which can be arranged in a triangular pattern are known as triangular numbers, and example you can give this one: 1, 3, 6, etc. Okay. So then in my next video I will solve the exercise 18.1.